Okay, so I was going to show you how to do this one with the calculator. If you are taking, I believe it's Math 210, Math for Elementary Teachers, you will have to know how to do this by hand. If not, you could just go straight to the calculator either way. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into my calculator as a matrix. First thing I have to do is know the size. So what I do is I count how many rows. It's 3 rows by 4 columns. Okay, so I have to put that in first. So the matrix key is located right here. So I'm going to go to second matrix. And I'm going to put it as matrix A. So I have to first go over to edit. Hit enter. First thing it's going to do is ask me the size. So I'm going to put 3 by 4. Okay, at this point I want to go ahead and put these numbers into my calculator. So I'm going to pause this and put these numbers in. I want you to do the same thing. Okay, so you should have this in your calculator at this point. Okay, this is in this matrix A. So what I'm going to do is get out of this menu first, and there's a key that will actually reduce this and give me the answers. It will put it in row reduction echelon form, and that will actually give me the answer instead of going through this whole process. So to get out of this menu, I have to hit second quit. Okay. Now, to use the row reduction echelon form, what it's going to look like is it's going to look like, it's pretty much going to look like this, but you're going to have zeros everywhere, and you'll actually have your answers over here. So it's going to look like the Denny matrix over here with zeros, and then over here you're going to have the 3 answers. You're going to have 1, 4, and 6. Okay, so it's a much easier way. They talk about this in the PowerPoint as far as Gauss-Jordan method, but I chose not to cover that. So they talk about doing it by hand. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to go under second matrix, and I'm going to go under math. And I want to go all the way down to the one that says RREF. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. Now after that, I have to put in the matrix A in here, because that's where I actually saved this matrix. So the way I pull up the matrix is I go under second matrix, and there's matrix A right there. So I'm just going to hit enter. Okay, when I hit enter, it's going to reduce that for me. And I'm going to actually get my three results here. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. So again, that's a little bit quicker, a much quicker way if you choose to do that way instead.